estate lovers, Lauren and Devin here with this beautiful home in Niagara Falls.
This is a 5-bedroom home. Come on and take a look.
Just up the stairs from the front entrance, attached to this beautiful dining room, you have a great living area.
Leading in from the dining room, we have this open concept kitchen with convenient access to the backyard.
Continuing upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms with 1 full bath.
Moving downstairs, we have an additional 1,400 square feet of living space with this fantastic updated flooring that accommodates another full washroom and a laundry room.
With an additional 2 bedrooms in the basement, one of them accommodating an in-law suite.
And the best part to this basement is the additional living space to host all of your next family functions.